Hello friends. Today an interesting incident happened and the handle at the front door accidentally broke. The ring in which the handle is fixed broke. I planned to make it out of plastic and put it instead of the metal one. As you can see, I designed and printed a new mount for the handle. I will install it now. Another problem solved with a 3D printer. As you can see, the pen works even better than before. I didn't have to go and look for this part in stores, and as a rule, everything is sold only assembled. I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like it. See you in the next videos.